Imagine a world with no phones, no flashlights, no electric cars, not even a simple remote control. All of that depends on one small invention, the electric battery. But the story of the battery began over 2,000 years ago, and it might involve ancient clay pots. In 1936, archaeologists in Iraq discovered something strange near Baghdad. It was a small clay jar with a copper cylinder and an iron rod inside. This object became known as the Baghdad Battery. Some scientists believed that when the jar was filled with acidic liquid like vinegar or lemon juice, it could produce a small electric current. This suggests that people in ancient Mesopotamia may have accidentally created a primitive battery over 2,000 years ago. However, historians still debate whether it was truly used as a battery or for something else. But the real scientific journey of batteries would begin many centuries later. Fast forward to 1780 in Italy. A scientist named Luigi Galvani was studying frogs. During an experiment, he noticed something shocking. When two different metal tools touched the frog's legs, the legs suddenly twitched and moved. Galvani believed he had discovered animal electricity inside living creatures. But another scientist disagreed. Enter Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist. Volta believed the electricity was not coming from the frog, but from the two different metals reacting together. To prove it, in 1800, he built the first true electric battery, called the voltaic pile. It worked like this. He stacked layers of zinc discs, copper discs, and saltwater-soaked cloth. Each layer created a small electric reaction. When stacked together, they produced continuous electricity for the first time in history. This was revolutionary. For the first time, humans had a steady source of electrical power. The unit of electric potential, the volt, is named after him. The next big breakthrough came in 1859. A French scientist named Gaston Planté invented the lead-acid battery. This was the first rechargeable battery in history. Unlike Volta's battery, which stopped working after one use, Planté's battery could be recharged again and again. This invention became the foundation of car batteries, which are still widely used today. In 1899, Swedish inventor Waldemar Jungner created the nickel-cadmium rechargeable battery. Later, in 1959, engineer Louis Urey developed the modern alkaline battery, which lasted much longer than older batteries. These batteries powered everyday items like flashlights, radios, toys. Portable electricity was now everywhere. The biggest battery revolution came in 1991. Sony released the first commercial lithium-ion battery. These batteries were much lighter, more powerful, rechargeable hundreds of times. Today they power almost everything. Smartphones, laptops, electric cars, drones. Without lithium batteries, modern technology would look completely different. From a mysterious ancient clay jar to powering the smartphone in your hand, the electric battery has transformed human civilization. And scientists are still working on the next generation of batteries, ones that could power cities, airplanes, and even missions to Mars. So the next time your phone battery drops to 1%, remember, you're holding over 2,000 years of scientific history in your pocket.